Come back out to SoFi Stadium. It's a little bit sunnier today. June gloom burn off. And we got Oculus testing still. Seeing more and more landscaping looking good. Quite a few palm trees. I don't remember offhand just how many they're going to plant, but quite a few. No, palm trees aren't native to California, but they do pretty well out here. Alright, you ready to see the next establishment named at SoFi? I know we had Fairfax and San Vicente Pizza, and now we have, if you want to wet your whistle, Bar. And we got the crane going today, and we got a piece of something hoisted up. Or is it coming down? I guess that's coming down, huh? It's like maybe lunchtime for these fellas, at least. Sun being out today, you can see some of it peeking through here for some shadows. Still on this missing part of seats that are going to be installed at some point. See how those railings are looking any better? Yeah. Looks like those may be about complete. We still got some work going up here on the northern end of the stadium. Roof work. Like iron workers, I'm guessing. But they're a little bit too below to see the action that's going on, unfortunately. And one more guy. Still got that elevator operational. I wonder how much longer that's going to be. Get that thing out of there and then we can paint this remaining column. Oh, actually they're I There's another one here too. He does not look like he's finished. He needs some paint going. Still got some road work going on here in Pincay. Boy, they're really digging into it today. Crazy. Oh, that looks different now, that canopy. There was something covering it, like some kind of a thin mesh, but now I don't see it. But I think you can see the escalator stairway there. But no, there's got to be some elevators too for handicap access, but I think they might be more inside. I don't really know at this point. I haven't seen any indication of those. Now, over on the east side of the stadium, gosh, could this be another SoFi Stadium sign? I'm not sure. I can't make out if there's wording there, but what the heck that is exactly, I don't know. That's interesting. It's nice finding little surprises when you come out here. I will definitely keep my eye on that. Looks like that would be a good spot for a second SoFi sign as you're coming up on Pincay here. You've got one going west, and then your other one facing Pincay. It's going to be somewhere in this area, I believe. Still a long way to go on that performance venue wall. And taking a look at one of these signs, towers. I don't know what that yellow thing is, but no progress really on this side of Pincay. The work continues here on the roof, on that northern end. We got a crew over here on one of the retractables. God, this roof really requires a lot of work. I thought they would maybe be done by now, but it is extensive. Alright, well, this mystery signage will have to be updated at a later date. Nice big spool of some kind of cable. Got some more work going on in the NFL building. Some crews of workers up there hanging. Got another crew down below there. Not sure if these are like some open-aired balconies that they're working on here in the middle of the building. One of the driveways off of Prairie leading into the stadium. It's getting a lot of attention. A lot of vendors going in and out, and it's getting there. It's looking nice. Getting some palm trees and some landscaping here in the median. Now we got a truck here gonna unload some concrete. Robertson's. Looks like some of the roadway covers are being removed. Those big heavy steel plates. Get this road back into normal condition again. Well, that's a good sign. They've been getting rid of some of these old rickety fences, and they got the permanent perimeter walls showcasing. You can see one of the signage towers does have some sheathing now, covering up some of those cinder blocks. Anxious to see some of the signage that'll go up. Other restaurant signs over in this section facing the west. Over here off of Prairie, looking at some of the commercial development. Those directional signs that are covered up.